Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and water to the washer so you can work safely. Once done, remove the back or pedestal panel to expose the wrap mesh and take a quick photo for reference. Make sure to clear detergent and loose debris so you can see mounting holes. You need needle nose pliers, a stainless steel mesh patch sized to cover the tier, short stainless screws, and silicone gasket sealant. Gather these now to avoid stopping mid-repair. You next clean and trim the ripped mesh edges. Removing burrs prevents future tears and helps the patch seat flat. Once trimmed, lay the stainless patch so it overlaps about 1/2 inch all around the hole and clamp or hold it in place. Make sure to avoid any wiring or hoses beneath. If present, gently reroute them. Slowly drive short stainless screws through the mesh into the frame at even intervals, creating a secure mechanical bond before sealing. You finish by forcing silicone gasket sealant along the entire seam of the patch to waterproof and damp vibrations, smoothing it for a flush finish. Once the sealant skins over, reattach the panel and restore water and power, then run an empty wash cycle to confirm there are no leaks and the mesh is stable. If you still hear rattling or see moisture, make sure to tighten screws evenly and add sealant where gaps remain. That troubleshooting step solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.